This is the Astro Excel weekly for the first week of March, commencing on Sunday, March 2nd. Looking at the green line, we open up here above plus 20. We get into the trading session here at 1800 on the 2nd. That's right about here. We are going to quickly move down this evening into the below the plus 10 area where we're relatively sideways between about plus 5 and plus 7 all the way through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We break the zero line on Thursday morning about 6 a.m. and then we're slightly below zero. So we're pretty much at a mostly neutral point here on the green line for the whole week. We get back above zero Friday morning early around 1 a.m. and then we're in plus territory for the rest of the week. The green line here is also relatively hugging the zero line for the most part. The first spike to the minus 10 area is Monday morning at 2 a.m. we hit minus 10, and then we get an upside spike later in the week on Wednesday about 1300 in the afternoon. Another one at 6 a.m. on Thursday morning. One here at 1500 below the minus 10 area. Then on Friday, we're at these two spike lows at noon, and then one in the afternoon. That one, unfortunately, is after the close. So that's a look at the Astro Excel for the first week of March.